In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily download Telegram videos to your gallery. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap Chats. After that, locate the video you want to download. This can be a video you found on a Telegram channel or a video that was sent to you by a friend. It really doesn't matter. Once you have found the video, tap on it to open it in full screen. Next, look for the three little dots icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. A menu will pop up with different options. Choose the Save Video option from the menu. After selecting the Save Video option, the video will be downloaded to your device and saved in your gallery. You can now access the video offline anytime you want without needing an internet connection. This simple process allows you to keep all your favorite Telegram videos stored safely on your device for easy access whenever you need them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.